Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to fade text in and out in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I've added a short video clip to my timeline. To begin, select the Type tool and click anywhere on your preview window to type your text. Now back on your timeline, drag the edge of your text clip to match the video's length. Now pop over to your effects panel and type cross dissolve in the search box. Now drag the cross dissolve effect onto the start of your text clip. And now when we play back our video, our text fades in. To change the duration of the fade, simply drag the end of the fade outward and the fade will take longer to come in. Likewise, if you wish to make your text fade out, simply drag your cross dissolve onto the end of your text clip, drag it to your desired length, and there you go. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.